Hey everybody. So I wanted to pop on real quick. Sorry, I've got this bright old light behind my head. Let's see if we can get away from that. That's a little better. There we go. Okay. So the whipped cream maker is actually one of my top sellers. It is a pretty cool item if you ask me. You can make, when I used to put milk in my coffee, I would put milk in it in the morning, kind of aerate, I guess, the milk, pump it up a bit, take this hole off because you can't put the metal part in your microwave, and then put my milk in the microwave, and I'd have like warm milk, and it makes a foam on top, so you can put that in your coffee. But one of my favorite things, you can make butter in it, you can scramble your eggs in it. There's a lot of things, little things you can do in it. You can make your protein shakes in it. But my most favorite thing to make in it, of course, is whipped cream. And whether it be a full serving of whipped cream for a whole group of friends if you're having a bunch of people come over, or like I'm going to do tonight, a quick little single serving. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's real quick and easy. I did, however, forget to grab my whipping cream, so I'm going to grab that real fast. I'll be right back. Oh, where is it? Of course, it's not real fast. There it is. Okay. So you need 3 ingredients. You need heavy whipping cream, vanilla, or you can also make almonds. You can make, I guess you probably could do a lemon. I've actually never done a lemon, but it actually sounds really good. People make Nutella whipping cream, whipped cream. I've seen people make chocolate whipped cream, either by using just like a Hershey syrup or cocoa powder, which and then powdered sugar. So it's the 3 ingredients: heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla is what I'm using tonight. So let's see if I can get a couple of things real quick. That'll work. Usually if I make a full batch, I do 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, but since I'm making a single batch just for me, I'm gonna make I'm gonna get a tortilla out and put some butter and cinnamon sugar on it and toast it in my broiler, and then I dip that in the whipped cream. I know, doesn't it sound totally healthy? But it's so delicious. And I'm excited because Christopher Robin just came out on Netflix, so I'm going to sit down and eat that with this tonight. So since it's a single serving, I'm going to do just 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And then, so it would be, if I was doing a full batch, it would be 3 tablespoons and a whole teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm doing 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and this is still a teaspoon, but I'm not going to fill it up all the way at all. Whoops, as I say that, and I totally fill it up all the way. Okay, there we go. Maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I guess it kind of depends on how strong you want it. All right, so then you're going to do your powdered sugar and your vanilla, or whatever your flavoring is, first. And then you add your whipping cream. If you're making a full batch, you go all the way up to the line. I'm not doing a full batch. Like I said, that's the last thing I need this late at night, so I'm doing just a small batch. So I'm going to do, I don't know, let's see. So about that much. And I'm going to grab I'm going to put the lid on my vanilla because that's the last thing I want to do is knock that over. I'm actually going to add a little more. Not much, just a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to grab a spatula, my mini one. There he is. This is one of my favorites. So cute, a little mini spatula. Okay, so once you get everything in there, see, here it is. We're going to put the lid on, and then you just pump. If it's really full, it does take a little while. I think the graphic I posted the other night said 30 seconds. Kind of depends on what type of whipping cream you buy. We have a store here called Kroger's, and I find that their whipping cream, it whips so fast. It's kind of amazing how fast it works. But when I buy Walmart's brand or Target brand, it does take a little bit longer, and I just go until, I mean, it's like you have like a difficulty. You're not going to make butter because the whipping cream is warm, or is cold, so you're not going to get to the butter part. Let me see. Oh, see, I like mine a little heavier, a little thicker. So this one is still just a little soft for me. So since it's not very full, what I usually do is I knock it down. I'll put it all back down into the bottom. So I like it to like stand up. Like literally, I can scoop it with a spoon like a blizzard, and it doesn't move. Okay. So put it all back down. Close it back up. go a little bit more. And again, you can make it as thick or as not thick as you prefer. And that's it. And there you go. Look at it. Stays right there. I love this stuff, you guys. It's not really wanting to zoom in. Or, it's not moving. It's my favorite thing ever. So I'm going to put my tortilla in the oven. I almost forgot the name of it. And then I'm going to sit down and eat it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. You want to book a party and you can get one of these for free or discounted, let me know. Any questions, like I said, just ask. All right, guys. Bye.